In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a bank statement in Zoho Books, providing you with a full guide for 2025. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or simply looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started by navigating to your Zoho Books page. Once you're logged in, check the left sidebar where you'll encounter different options and sections. What you're looking for is Documents. Give that a click. When you open the Documents section, you'll notice a category labeled Bank Statements within the inbox. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Now, here's something important. Before you can upload any bank statements, you must first ensure that this feature is enabled. In my case, I've already enabled it, but if you haven't done so yet, no worries. The Enable button is quite prominent, so it should be easy to find on your screen. Once you spot it, simply click the button to enable the feature. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the upload functionality. With the feature now enabled, you'll notice a new option available to you. The Upload File button located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be uploading your bank statement, so make sure you have your file ready and accessible on your device. Once you click Upload File, you will be prompted to select the file you wish to upload. Navigate through your files and select the bank statement you want to add to Zoho Books. This process is typically straightforward, much like uploading a file to any online platform. After you have selected the correct file, hit the Upload button, and just like that, you're done. Your bank statement is now on Zoho Books, ready for your review and integration wherever necessary. This simple process can save you time and increase your efficiency in managing finances within Zoho Books. Remember, having your bank statements in Zoho Books can help you keep better track of your financial transactions and improve your record keeping. This is particularly useful for staying on top of your business's financial health and preparing reports or audits. If you encounter any bumps along the way, or if something doesn't look quite right, I recommend double-checking that the feature is enabled and ensuring that the file you are uploading is in the correct format, supported by Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Implement these steps, and you'll be managing your finances like a pro in no time. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on using Zoho Books and other great tools.